Okay, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at this 4K dash cam that I was sent by Mangoal. And before we unbox this and see what's in here, I'm going to be installing this in a Toyota Camry, a 2018 Toyota Camry. If you take a closer look right here, you can see that this fits a Toyota Camry and Camry Hybrid from years 2018 to 2020, because this particular dash cam is an OE style, so meaning it's meant to look factory when you install it. So it's going to be a nice clean install. So if you purchase one of these, you need to make sure you specify what vehicle, because it's not going to be one size fits all. It's going to be custom tailored to your specific vehicle, but we'll get to that later in the video. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get. All right, well, let's open it up, see what we got. Okay, we have a little bit of paperwork here. Let's see. Okay, so if there's a problem getting connected to the app, refer to this. This will help you get connected up to the app. So we'll take a look at that a little bit later. Here's a star to show right here. Let's get this pulled out. All right, so this is what I was saying earlier about how this is an OE style. So it's going to be a nice clean install going with this type of camera. So if you're looking for something really clean and inconspicuous, consider one of these Mangoal cameras. It's made to give an OE appearance. So check this out. We got camera button, power button to turn your camera on or take some quick snapshots. So, and then here's a slot for your memory here. So yeah, this is looking really nice. Let me set this aside, see what else we got. All right, so let's open this up, see what we got in this one. All right, so this is a rear camera. Let me see. So this is going to be the rear camera. We'll set that aside. And we have some wiring harnesses here. Get connected up. Everything is labeled on here, which is nice. So you'll know exactly where to get it connected up. Some little clips to make the install clean. They start you off with some memory here. Looks like it comes with 128 gigs. It's pretty generous. And we have just some adhesion here. Help the install go a little bit cleaner. Oh, and can't forget the plastic trim tool, which is nice. And then here's your instructions here with some zip ties. Keep the install clean. So I'm definitely gonna take a quick look at this before I start installing this thing. So yeah, so there's plenty of instructions on the app and how to get your Mangoal kit installed. So plenty of instructions in this booklet, so you really shouldn't have a problem getting your dash cam mounted up. I'm gonna take this thing to the vehicle and get it installed. So we're going to go ahead and pop this off in step one of our install process. Okay, so once you pop this trim piece free, it's going to give you access to pinch these little tabs here. And once you pinch these tabs in, you'll be able to remove just this portion here. So here's a close-up of the tab. So you're going to push that one inward, and then you're going to push that one inward. and remove this. So we got our dash cam here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to push these tabs in. So just like OE, push these tabs in. And get it out. So you're gonna remove this. You're gonna plug it into this portion of your wiring harness. Okay, and then you're gonna take the other end of it so you can reconnect it to this module. So we got that plugged in, and then here's our power connector to our dash cam. So if you're going to install the rear facing camera, you want to hide it under the headliner so you can kind of see some of the trim pieces that I removed in order to do that. So you want to pop a few trim pieces off along the way and bring it all the way out to the front here. Now all the trim pieces are put back together. The tool that they supply in the kit is very useful for prying the trim pieces off. You will just need one T25 torque screw to get the sun visor off, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so now it's time to hook up the dash cam. I used a little bit of tape to protect the rear camera connectors so that I wouldn't get anything in there. So as you can see, this is a female connector, and running it through the headliner, you could get a lot of debris stuck inside these holes. So I recommend to cover this up if you're going to fish it through the headliner like I did. So before we get it all plugged up, I wanted to mention if you were using this GPS option, you want to jump on Amazon, and this is going to be the number you want to type in order to get the rest of the items you need to use this GPS option. So this is what was there before, and now we have a nice OE looking front facing camera. Looks really good. Nice clean install, no wires shown. Just like that, it's installed. You don't want to forget to remove the protective cover over the lens before you try it out for the first time. Okay, so the dash cam is set up, and this is actual footage that I'm taking from the Mangoal high def dash cam. What you see in front of you is probably about the best picture quality that you'll get. You can go into the app and change the resolution settings. I believe I have it on the highest setting, so this is probably the best picture quality you'll get. Also about the app, you do want to make sure you follow all the steps to get connected up to your camera, because it is controlled through the app. Also, it does have sound. I just have the sound turned down, but it does record sound as well. Also in the app, you can change settings or what the camera would do while parked, or if it was involved in an accident and things like that. So there's a lot of features in the app. So you want to definitely go through the app and get it set up how you like it. I also decided to take a little bit of footage in the evening time just to kind of see if the camera still, had good picture in the evening with low light. And then I also got a little bit of night footage somewhere dark to see how well it will pick up at night. Overall, it's a pretty good camera, good dash cam. It looks great. It works great. I'll leave a link in the description where you could pick one up if you're interested in buying one. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Brian's Garage, and I'll see you guys on the next one.